Introducing the MOAR e-bike, the first of a new generation of e-bikes that are both fun to ride and practical on a daily basis. The MOAR bike conquers steep hills and will cruise all day and up to 20 miles per hour. Right away, you'll notice the 26 by 4-inch fat tires with double the footprint of a standard mountain bike. More rubber means more traction, letting you ride over wet pavement, potholed roads, or loose surfaces with ease. MOAR offers the only affordable fat tire e-bike equipped with both front and rear suspension. Full suspension provides agile handling and a smooth, stable, and comfortable ride at any speed over any terrain. The frames are constructed out of 6061 aircraft-grade aluminum. Light, strong, and guaranteed not to rust. And when you're done riding, the frame easily folds in half for storage or transport. And there's no need to call it a day when the sun goes down. Bright LED projection headlights illuminate the road ahead without blinding oncoming traffic, while soft angel eyes light up the rider and give a face to the bike. A centralized 48-volt battery powers the whole system. It's wrapped in an IP65 rated, splash-proof aluminum housing and offers immediate power delivery. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, a commuter or a trailblazer, MOAR offers the ultimate e-bike for your needs.